How to fix link preview not showing on WhatsApp. Hello everybody. To fix the issue, you may follow up these solutions. First of all, head over to WhatsApp and then go over the three dot at the top right corner. And from here, head over to settings once you are logged in. Now from settings, what you can do is you can head over and go to privacy, tap on it. And then here, you may head over and look out for this option of advanced, scroll down for that. And here we have this option of disable link previews. Make sure this option is turned off if it is turned on. In order to do so, you may simply tap on it. Now once that is done, you can head back, close this application and head over to YouTube, for example, and copy the link that you want to share. So open up YouTube. And then you may just go ahead and tap on share once you locate up the video and copy the link. And once the link is copied, you can close it up, head over to WhatsApp, head over to one of the chats, and you can paste it in the WhatsApp and hit send. And what you can do is before hitting send, you just need to remove the last character. If example a number, and you can just go ahead and retype it and send the link, and the preview should even appear. So you can just go ahead and do that, and that is. Apart from that, you can also update your application to the latest version. For that, head over to Play Store, go over to the search and search for WhatsApp here. And then ensure that our application is updated to the latest version and you are using the latest version of WhatsApp. And ensure that you are also proper internet connection, because that may be the issue. And you can also try clearing the cache. Long press on WhatsApp for that. Go to the info section at the top and you can just head over and go to storage, and then you can clear the cache and follow up this method. So you may follow up this method in order to fix the link preview not showing on WhatsApp for now. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will be seeing you in another video.